that I can share it on YouTube. Okay. Field maybe field means any field. Status means required, optional, or suppressed. Right? This is clear. Now, okay. So see these 1000 and 0001, they include field status groups. Okay, field status
Okay.
groups. So there are many field status groups, but I'm just listing out the important ones. Let's say G001. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a general one. Okay, general with text allocation. So see, G001, you can apply it to, see, I'll just mention here like for liabilities and assets. Sorry, liabilities and expenses. See, whatever be your accounts, okay, if your accounts are coming under liabilities and expenses, you can assign G001 to those accounts. Okay, whatever individual account you make, like account, see, for if it is liability, don't take this accounts payable. For accounts payable, there is a separate field status group. But for see share capital, okay, for expenses payable, all these are liabilities, right? And your expenses like rent, whatever it is, for all those GL accounts, you can assign this G001.
Okay.
G005 is for current assets, including bank and excluding accounts receivable. G029, okay, it is for income related accounts. For, okay, all those accounts that comes under income accounting head or accounting group.
Okay.
Next is G067. Okay, this is for AR and AP. Okay,
Okay.
this is for AR and AP, reconciliation accounts. So these are the four which, try to remember these. G001, 005, 029, 067.
Okay.
G007 is also there.
Mm-hmm.
That is for fixed assets. But
Oh,
this submodule of financial accounting, we will do it later.
yeah.
We are now doing the foundation steps, right? So
Yeah.
we have to complete some 41 steps. That means we are completing one portion, one part of it. Then next book will be on, it will be totally on general ledger accounting. After that, one more concept is there, like one more book in that, accounts receivable and accounts payable related thing we will discuss. After that, asset accounting is there. But what we will do is, we will do asset accounting later. After
Yeah.
this, we will start costing part. After completing the costing part, then we will do that asset account. So like we have to go like this.
Yeah. Sure.
So now, if you have noted down all of
Yeah.
this,
Yeah. I've noted it down.
okay. So I can erase this, right?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
So I'll erase this portion, and let us do the practical part.
Yeah.
See, if I do the practicals, then only you will understand.
Yeah.
See, these 40 steps are dry. If even if I do it one time or two time, even if you do it, you will you will not get a complete idea of it. When we do the GL postings,
Yeah.
that time you can recollect, you can, you will come to know why we did all these things.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's like
See,
we are laying the
now we are just
foundation,
doing
right?
the implementation part. As a
Yeah.
consultant,
Okay.
right from scratch, we are making the structure. This 40
Okay.
steps includes all your document types, what you have learned until now. Okay, your
Yeah.
chart of accounts,
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah.
that is necessary to make an accounting system. We are going to create all that. Once these
Yeah.
40 steps are over, we will do the end user part. We'll do the
Okay.
end user postings. Again, implementation and user will do it simultaneously.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
We are in the backend.
Yes, sir.
So backend means
Yeah.
we are doing this consultant level part. Now, financial accounting new, FA global settings new. After this, ledgers, fields. In fields, okay, define field status variant. This is a step.
Yeah.
Define field status variant. $1,000 is there, 000 is one there. Take
Yeah.
any one of these. I am taking 1,000. Highlight this. Click copy as button. Change this 1,000 to NADR. Here change the description. Change the description to field status variant underscore NADR. Okay. 1,000 is something which is there in the system as a standard one. What I am doing is I am creating a copy of it so that I can do the amendments.
Yeah.
Press enter. That is copy all. Press enter. Press save and enter. Highlight this and click on this field status groups on the left side. You can see all the groups.
Okay.
001 is there, general one, 005 is there, 029 is there, and G067 reconciliation. Is this clear?
Yeah.
All right. Now go back. Assign company code to field status variants.
Step 22.
Click position button. Click position button. Company code NADR. Press enter. Company code NADR. Company name Nadir Group Dubai. It is logged by SAP. So what is the name I have given to this field status variant? New name. I copied 1,000. I said copy as and I gave NADR.
NADR.
Okay. Type NADR and save this. This is how you do the assignment.
Okay.
Company code NADR, we have assigned this variant. So September 21, 22 are also over. Correct?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Now, so I'll quickly do some more steps. Let's say tolerance group. What do you mean by tolerance group? Tolerance group.
Yeah.
See, OBA0 is the T code. I'm just going straight away with the T code.
Okay.
And it says tolerances for groups of GL accounts in local currency. What do you mean by tolerance? How much payment difference you can tolerate?
Okay.
If a customer is supposed to give you 100 dirhams, if he is giving 99 dirhams plus 50 fills, will your system accept that tolerance, that payment difference? So that is
Okay.
setting up the tolerances. So
Okay.
new entries. Now this is tolerance related to GL accounts. We are not doing anything. We are just defining it and leaving it. We are not doing. I'm not making any other settings in this.
Yeah.
If I don't do this step, error will come. So I'm just, to avoid the errors, I'm just defining this tolerance for GL accounts. So
Yeah.
company code will be NADR. Assume that tolerance group name is also NADR, but don't give the name. This is also a technical problem in SAP. If you give the name, SAP will throw error. If you look for a solution, answer is this one. This is the answer. Someone will ask you to come, if you Google it, someone will ask you to keep this tolerance group name as blank. So same thing I'm doing it. Tolerance group for GL accounts underscore NADR. Okay, Control S. Finish. Just define it and leave it. Group name always blank.
Group name always blank. Yeah.
Okay, like this blank. Next is OBA0. OBA0 is tolerance group for employees. I'm sorry, OBA, just a second. Okay, OBA4. Sorry, this is the next step. Assign users to tolerance group. This is correct. This is
That's
tolerance group for
step
employees.
24.
Yeah, step number 21, 22. This is 23, 20. Yeah, 24.
Okay.
Okay. So
So this is
group again for employees.
tolerance for users. Okay.
Users means employees. End users. Who are end users?
Yeah.
Company employees.
Company
The
employees.
accountants. Okay.
Yeah.
The finance team, accounts team. Okay.
Yeah.
Group again leave it blank. Company code NADR. Amount per document. Document means what? Any invoice, any document.
Okay.
So an employee can enter these many digits. How many digits? Let's say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 10 digits, including 1.
Okay. Okay.
Then amount per open item, account item. An employee can enter, an amount up to this much digits. And what is open item? Open item means, see, whatever that is open in SAP. For example, if you post a customer invoice, unless and until it is totally paid, it is an open item. Okay. Once you get complete payment from the customer, when you post that payment in the system, it will get cleared. It will be a cleared item. Okay. Same way, just a second. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. If you post a provision means what? Suppose rent to rent payable.
Yeah.
Rent
We always have a
expense
provision
payable.
for rent. Yeah.
Okay, so rent to rent payable. It means you are not giving the rent to the landlord. You are keeping the rent aside.
Yeah.
Rent to rent payable. That is the open item.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you pass the reversal entry, okay, rent payable to bank or cash. That is once you do this, it after you do this, it will become a cleared item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
The payment is done.
for
Yeah.
such items, we are telling one. Let's say, let us give one digit less here. Cash discount per line item. Let's say 5%. Whatever we want, we can give. An employee can give 5% cash discount like that. And here, in case of payment permitted payment difference, I'll say in case of customer revenue, 100 or 3%, whichever is lower. An employee can give a discount up to 100 dirhams or 3%, whichever is lower. Okay, 100, 2%. This is for expenses. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Can I save this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this step is also over. Now next is assign users to tolerance group. Key code is OB, just a second, 57 or 53. OB57. Let me check. Yes, OB57. Assign users to tolerance group. New entries, username Nadir. Nadir is, see, we are not doing HCM, human capital management, HR part. So we are just blindly giving this name. Tolerance group field also we kept it blank, but we are assuming it as NADR. We are assuming it to be NADR. So system will check for both the values and it will throw errors. Press enter, it will, that error will go like this. Save it. If you get error, press enter. Simple.
Yeah.
This is also over. So last 24 step is there, which is pending. OBA0 is over, A4 is over, OB57 is over. Now OBA3. Okay, OBA3. Tolerance group for account related to accounts receivables and accounts payable.
This is
Customer
step
vendor
26,
tolerance.
right?
Sorry, step number
This
26.
is 26. Okay.
Sorry, 26.
Yeah.
26 or 27? Let me check.
26.
I think 23 to 27. Because see, 20 steps, 21, 22,
Yeah.
23 to 27.
Yeah.
23, 24, 25, 26. Man. 23, 24, 25, 26. Why I'm saying 27? Because tolerance group steps are only 4. So there is a mistake here.
Okay. So first.
See, in tolerances, there are 4 steps.
Yeah.
So 23, 24, 25, 26.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, company code NADR.
Yeah.
Sorry. Tolerance group blank. Here you can just give a definition like this. You can just define tolerance group for AR and AP underscore NADR. Just you can define this by giving a description like this and save this. Finish. This part we'll do it later. No need to come over here. We can do it in another way.
Okay.
Those things will reflect here. Okay. So today, how many steps we did? Today, 5 steps of document numbers and document types, 2 steps related to field status variants, and 4 steps related to tolerances. So 5, 4, 9 plus 2, 11 steps we did today. Fine. So tomorrow, inshallah, we'll start chart of accounts. How to I'll show you how to define that, how to give set the range, how to give the numbering for. Okay. So we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nadeem?
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
bro. Take
I'll
care.
text you regarding the time.
Right. Just practice all of these what we did.
Yeah. I'll work it on my system.
Yeah. Complete all these steps. What all we did until now, you just practice that.
Yeah. If I have any doubts, I'll text you, sir.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
So, okay.
So thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Take care, bro.
Yeah. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.